Hello, my name is Liz. Hey, I haven't made a video in like years. I, one, have been crying today. Two,
I'm gonna do my makeup.
so step one. We do need a fresh palette. Honestly, this is a look and I call it I cried today. Step one, moisturizer. I need help. I have issues. Brows. For my brows, I just am going to use this red in my Morphe palette. Morphe 35B. I just go the heck in, and PSA, this red is not a perfect match for my hair. I have no excuse. So now I look like this. And now I'm going to clean them up with some concealer. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I think it's like $7. I don't know when the footage cut out, but first I used this pinky. Now I'm going to use this bright ass orange right here. Okay. Why is that doing nothing? So now I'm going to go in with a little red. The same red that I used on my eyebrows because
I love having variety.
I'm just putting that in my crease. So blended.
So pigmented.
And then I'm going to dip into the yellow in this palette, that yellow, and put it on the lid. Alright, now that is looking not too shabby, I guess.
All around me are familiar faces.
I'm gonna go back into the pinky shade and I'm gonna blend. Oh, also I don't wear foundation ever at all, ever. Like, it covers up my freckles and I'm just like not trying to live that life right now, so
Just not gonna do that.
I think I'm gonna use this black. And then I'm gonna take the other brush and go back with the red and use that to blend it out. Okay. I might hate this. Oh my god. Now I look like this. No, but I don't have the right glitter. I'm just gonna put like a tiny bit of gold, the half-baked gold, you know, that like whoever lived has used on like the outer half of the lid a little bit, I guess. One thing I forgot about this camera was how quickly the card fills up. So I just took a small break and emptied the card.
Let's wrap this up, shall we?
Okay, so I put my concealer on and I set it. I'm just gonna get some orange, some red, tiny bit of black on a small brush. And then I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution strobe highlighter. I'm gonna put that on my inner corner. And I'm also gonna put it on my brow bone.
I fell behind my back.
Okay, so I put on my lashes and now I'm just gonna like slap some glitter on. Some Vaseline lip therapy. This is my finished look. I'm literally gonna take it all off and go to bed. It's 12:43. Thanks for watching. I've had a pretty shitty day. I'm very anxious. I just kind of wanted to do something nice for me. Yeah. This is it.